This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Charles Kors. Why wait to build? Constructed in 2022, this Anaheim floor plan, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, built by CC Homes has never been lived in. Situated on a premium lot with ample lake views, this house was built with premium upgrades, hardwood floors throughout the house, premium light fixtures, impact glass and doors, to name a few. This house is located in Maple Ridge, a beautiful community in Ave Maria. Residents enjoy numerous amenities, including the fitness center, pickleball courts, a resort-style pool, dog park, bike paths and jogging trails. It is short walk, bike or golf cart ride from Ave Maria's town center and all of its family-friendly attractions. With a great school district and a wide variety of recreation and amenities. Maple Ridge at Ave Maria is designed for lifestyles of all ages. For more information, review the details below.